We created this product from concept to brand-ready presentation for a USA-based buyer, exactly to their requirements. First, we designed a full label from scratch, starting with the product name, front branding, logo placement, and premium visual identity. Then we carefully built out the side panels, adding all required supplement facts, product details, and custom text for both the right and left sections. Once the label design was finalized, we moved into Adobe Photoshop to create a realistic 3D mock-up, transforming the flat design into a fully branded product presentation. This process gives clients more than just a label. It creates a complete market-ready brand image that looks professional, premium, and sales-focused. For years, we've specialized in product packaging and label design, using AI-assisted creative strategy to make every design more polished, competitive, and visually powerful. If you need premium label design, packaging, or 3D product branding for your business, contact us today by direct message or email